Hey, welcome back. Do you use Canva? And are you a good designer? Do you design documents, maybe even invoices? You're a content creator for the different social media platforms. This video is for you. If you use Canva and you have ever designed something with more than one page, picking data from maybe an Excel sheet like this, and you're designing a document with pages like this, then this video is made for you. We are going to go through on how you create bulk documents using Canva just in a single click. You're done. If you have done it manually, then watch up to the end of this video. Here we go. Let's switch. Okay, here we are. So the document I was talking about is we are going to create this 10 carousel document. It is something I'm going to post about the errors in Excel. That will be for another day. But right now we are focusing on how can we create this in Canva at a go and have all these 10 pages created at once. And where are we creating these 10 pages from? These 10 pages are picking their data from this Excel sheet. Number one, the error, the description, the fix, the example, and the error category. So I'll be picking by row, but if you did this manually, it means you'd be copying one by one at a time. This time what we are going to do, we are going to use the bulk create in Canva. So I will have my one template, leave out the first page, which is an intro. I will have my one template, which is this. I will configure this template, connect it to the other Excel sheet. Then it will pick all the rows one by one, creating a page for each of them, and they will become 10 pages like this. So please stay around and watch up to the end how we are going to do this. It is the simplest you can ever have if you have been using Canva. So the first thing, I'm not going to show you how I created this template, but you can design your own template when your template is done. Now you'll understand that this is the error. This is the error on my end. It is this. Then I have the number. Let me shorten this. I have the number, which is going to stand for that. Then I have description, which is here. I have the category, which is here. I have the example, which is going to be that, and the fix. So how do we do that? The first thing you do is you select, let's start with the error because it is at the top. You'll select this, go to applications. So I will go to apps. The moment you hover, you'll have all the applications here. This is the bulk create we are looking for. Click on bulk create. Since I've already used this, that's why it is highlighting them like this, but I'm going to take you through on how you do this. So I will go ahead and upload data because I'm going to upload my own data that is from the Excel sheet I've already saved. So open this. The moment you open, these are all the fields you are having in the Excel sheet. We are going to tag each of them one by one to the fields. So when you click on this, you go to connect data. So the moment you click on the first field, click on the three dots at the option edge. There is connect data. Click on connect data, then it will ask you which data do you want to connect. Here I want to connect this to the column for errors. So I'll click to the column for errors, it will connect. You go to the next, that is the number, you do the same, connect data. If you want to change, because mine is already connected. So you click on numbers. If you have many columns, you can search for them. Then you come to this. My dear friend, this page we have already designed it. This is how you want all the 10 pages to appear. If it is an invoice, still you already have a template for the invoice. You put your data in an Excel and boom, you'll create all the 30 invoices at once. Then this, still you connect data. and you look out for the error category. I want all the error categories to appear here. You go ahead and do the same. This is going to be my description, this is going to be my example, and this is going to be my my fix as how you see this in the Excel. So it means that I want to pick all these 10 errors, by row on how I have fixed each column, how to be placed in the Canva design. So I will go ahead. When you're done with that, you do next. But before you do next, you can go to advanced options. Advanced options, it asks you whether you want it as a single design. Yes, I want all the multiple pages in a single design. Or if you want all the 10 pages differently. Then you can say the naming, I want them to use the data error naming. You choose out a column which you want to name each page. That will be like your customer name if you're creating invoices. Then I'll go ahead and do continue. It will be now to number 3 level. I've selected all. I'll go ahead and say generate the 10 designs. It is going to generate. After, it will give you a pop-up or view the design. I'll view the design and boom, it will have created all the designs. But the challenge is even the intro page, it repeats itself. What do we do? Obviously, I'll select this out by selecting them because I only want one intro page, or even if you have an ending page, it will create itself. So go ahead and delete that. You will have to delete even this, and sorry, this and that. So here I have now the intro page with 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So if I go ahead and change the layout, you see that all the pages have been created. Let me change the layout. So all the pages have been created from the intro page. That is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, up to the end, number 10. Now there are some few things you're going to add. Just like you see a 10, it went through and created a new line, which means you can adjust this manually by increasing this box and the 10 as well. So you'll find that I've created all these 10 pages from the data in this Excel sheet just by a single click of going to apps in Canva. Then you look out for bulk create. So guys, if you need more videos like this, how to use Canva, how to use Excel, project management, please hit that notification bell. You can subscribe, you can leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up if this video has been helpful in what you're doing daily. Then if you want Canva Pro, you can reach me out. I can add you on my team such that you pay less than you would have subscribed as an individual. Otherwise, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.